Hello dear friends, this is Wael Bashuri, math and physics teacher. In this video I'm going to solve this quiz from course practice for the periodic. So let's see first question. Which of the following is a directed angle with measure equal to 50? Select all that apply. For the angle to be 50, it must be in the first quadrant. So here you have 0, 90, 180 and 270, and then here 360. So any angle in the first quadrant here, it will be 50. Remember, this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Now the possible options here will be angles in the first quadrant, like this one and this one. This is not in the first quadrant, this is not in the first quadrant. So let's see what we have to do here. Here, because we have moved starting from here, we are moving in the clockwise direction. Of course, the clockwise direction is the negative direction. So if we started this way, one complete rotation like this, so this is negative 360. So clearly here we have moved in the negative direction, so we have to add complete rotations. So if you do negative 670 plus 360 plus 360, so the answer will be 50. So this is a correct option. Now let's come to this option here and see. Here you are moving in the opposite direction, which means in the positive direction, which is the anti-clockwise direction. So this, the anti-clockwise direction, is the positive direction. So if you start from here, that's the first rotation, 360 plus 360 till here plus 50, you get 720. This means I have to subtract 360 and then 360 one more time to get 50. So this is also 50. Now what about this one here, 410? So here you have 410. Clearly you have to subtract 360, so 410 minus 360, you get also 50. So this is also a correct option. So the three correct options now will be these. For question number 2, in question number 2, you are given that measure of angle AOL is 60 degrees. What's the value of measure of AOL starting from OA and moving one revolution in the anti-clockwise direction? Here you have anti-clockwise direction, and here you have one revolution. So which means start from here and then move in the anti-clockwise direction like this, and then move again till here. So here you clearly you will add this as 360 plus this as 60, and then you get 420. So the answer is 420. So here you write 420. Now what about option B? What's the value of n? How many rotations we have moved in the clockwise direction? This is the clockwise direction in order to get this amount. So starting from OA again, here, if I move one revolution like this, it would be negative 360. Then if I continue moving like this, here again negative 360. Then again you have to move more until you reach OL. This means you have moved, in this case, negative 360 minus 360 and then minus 300 to get this amount. I repeat one more time. Minus 360, minus 360, then minus 300 to get this amount. This means n must be 2. 2 complete revolutions or rotations. For question C now, we want to move 2 rotations in the anti-clockwise direction starting from OA. So that's the first one. This means 360 plus, that's the second one, 360 plus 60, so plus 60. 360 plus 360, 720, plus 60, 780, so here the answer will be 780. Now, last one, you have to move in the anti-clockwise direction, sorry, in the clockwise direction, like this. This is clockwise direction. Of course, this is the negative direction. Until you reach this, remember 0 rotation. 0 means do not complete the rotation. So in this case, if this is 60, this will be negative 300. So here, negative 300. And that is the answer to this question. Thank you very much indeed for watching.